Here we are again, working on the objective. I can multiply two-digit numbers using area model. And here's an example of an area model, multiplying 47 times 38. Here we expanded 47 to be 40 plus 7, 38 being 30 plus 8. And it's also the form of an area model, with our numbers being to the side as in length and the top as in width. So we're multiplying those numbers. What we have to understand is, if we have a two-digit by two-digit, we're going to end up with 4 boxes. Then we'll write each expression as to what we're going to be multiplying. If you look, we're multiplying 30 times 40. Then we're going to be multiplying 30 times 7. Then 8 times 40. And then 8 times 7. These are the expressions that we use to get our partial products. When we're multiplying area, all boxes have to be filled in with a number, and that will help you to understand that if we have a 2 by 2, we're going to end up filling 4 boxes. Now let's try one of our own. We're going to multiply 32 times 65. Again, we're going to be expanding 32 to be 30 plus 2. Now the plus signs are what we use to divide our boxes. Then we'll have 65, which would be 60 plus 5. Now when these boxes are generated, sometimes the ones place is a little bit smaller. So here we're going to be multiplying the following sets. Now based on what we have here, we know that we have 4 boxes, which means there are 4 partial products. Now the first part we're going to be multiplying would be 60 times 30. So we'll put it here. 60 times 30. Our next multiplication would be 60 times 2. And that will give us the answers for our top boxes. 60 times 30 is 1,800. 60 times 2 is 120. So we have filled out the top boxes. Now we'll go to the next box. And the next boxes relate to the bottom numbers. So 5, all the responses will go to the bottom number. So now we're doing 5 times 30. That will give us 150, which goes in this box. And then we'll do 5 times 2, which is 10. And what we'll do here, because all of these are our partial products in our box, we're going to be adding all our partial products. So we'll be adding 1,800 plus 120 plus 150 plus 10, keeping them under the correct place value. Our answer will be 2,080. Now we have to write our expression. So what that means is we're writing all the statements that we have been multiplying. So we're multiplying 60 times 30 plus 60 times 2 plus 5 times 30 plus 5 times 2, which gives us a grand total of 2,080.